A great resume is your golden ticket to job search success. But when hiring managers spend less than 10 seconds reviewing each candidate, your resume needs to be clear, concise, and attractive to stand out and land the interview. Luckily, there's a winning formula to write a great resume every time. In this video, we'll cover the 7 basic steps to write a perfect resume. Did you know that the average job posting gets 250 applicants? That's a lot of resumes for hiring managers to look at. To increase your chances of hearing back from employers, you need to make it as easy as possible for recruiters to find the key details of your skills and experiences on your resume. Let's look at how to do that. The first step is to read the job description. The goal of your resume is to show the employer that you're the right person for this particular job. So make note of any technical skills or key responsibilities that overlap with your previous experience. These details are essential for your resume. Now let's start at the top of the page with your header. This space should include your name and contact information like your phone number and a professional email address. You should also add your LinkedIn URL and a link to your portfolio if that's relevant for your industry. Next, we'll write a summary. These 3 or 4 lines are a short introduction to you and should concisely explain why you're the right fit for the role. Focus only on your most impressive achievements or essential qualifications. You should also include the company name and position you're applying for to give your resume a personalized touch. Step 4 is to create your work history, although your education can come first if you're still a student. For this section, you'll want to list your jobs from most recent to oldest. Give the job title, employer name, dates worked, and location. Then add 3 to 4 bullet points under every job to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. Make sure to use action verbs like implemented, organized, or created, along with numbers and statistics to show the impact you had on the company. Let's move on to your education section. Again, list each degree from most recent to oldest, along with the school name, dates attended, and location. If you're a student or recent grad, you can also add 1 or 2 bullet points here for your GPA or another achievement. And step number 6 is all about your skills. This list should include technical skills, language proficiency, or any certifications you've earned. Again, align these skills with the job description to show that you're a perfect fit for the role. And finally, don't overlook your layout and design. Keep it clean, organized, and easy to read. Career.io's Resume Builder makes it easy to try out different templates that immediately grab attention. And that's all there is to it. By following this list step by step, you can write a resume for a job that directly grabs attention and lands you the interview. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of Career.io's expert advice for your job search and beyond.